Amazing facts about hippopotamus you didn't know. Appearance: hippos have large, barrel-shaped bodies, short legs, and large mouths with formidable teeth. Size: adult hippos can weigh up to 4,400 pounds and measure up to 16 feet in length. Habitat: found in rivers, lakes, and mangrove swamps across sub-Saharan Africa. Diet: herbivores, hippos primarily graze on grasses at night, consuming up to 80 pounds of vegetation per day. Behavior: social animals living in groups called pods, usually led by a dominant male. Conservation status: vulnerable due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Reproduction: females give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 8 months, with calves staying with their mothers for up to 2 years. Threats: habitat destruction, illegal hunting for meat and ivory like teeth, and water pollution. Conservation efforts: protected areas, anti-poaching measures, and efforts to mitigate human-wildlife conflict. Lifespan: in the wild, hippos can live up to 40 to 50 years, and in captivity, they may live longer. Cultural significance: featured in African folklore and mythology, symbolizing strength and aggression. Global populations: found across sub-Saharan Africa, with significant efforts to monitor and protect them. Role in ecosystem: important grazers that help maintain riverine vegetation and influence aquatic ecosystems. Research: studies on hippo behavior, ecology, and conservation strategies to address threats and promote population recovery.